first system, which is called the digestive system. Of course, humans need food. We need food to get energy to do everything. And the digestive system is responsible for breaking down the food into smaller parts so our body could change it into nutrients, and these nutrients will spread all over our body to get energy. This process of breaking down food into smaller parts to get energy is called the digestion process. Digestion process. The digestive system consists of a group of organs that starts with the mouth, then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Okay? The digestion process starts in the mouth. The mouth contains three things. First one, the teeth. The teeth is used to crush or chew the food and change it into smaller parts. Then the tongue will mix the food with a liquid inside your mouth that's called saliva. The saliva is a liquid inside your mouth that's responsible to moisten the food so you could swallow it. Then it goes to the pharynx, then to the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that transports or moves the food from the mouth to the stomach. Now we are in the stomach. Once the food reaches the stomach, it's a muscular sac organ that mixes the food with stomach acid and digestive juices. When all of these juices mixed with the food, it will turn into liquid. Then this liquid will move directly to the small intestine. The small intestine is a long coiled tube up to 6 meters. So it's coiled to fit inside your body. The small intestine helps to complete the food digestion. Complete the food digestion. After being digested, it will transform into nutrients, and these nutrients will be transported to the blood through the blood capillaries. Then it will go directly to spread all over your body. What about the undigested food? The undigested food will go to the large intestine. It will reach the large intestine, and the water or the fluids will be absorbed in the large intestine, so the undigested food will become solid waste. Your body will get rid of it through the anus. This is the digestive system. Now, as we need food, of course we need to breathe. And as you know, we breathe only oxygen. And the system responsible for breathing and respiration is called the respiratory system. You can say it respiratory or respiratory. Both are right. The respiratory system is responsible for breathing and respiration. And the respiration process, as you see, try to act, breathe deeply. First, the oxygen will get inside your body. Getting oxygen into your body is called inhalation process. Then you will get out the carbon dioxide gas. Getting out the carbon dioxide gas is called exhalation process. And breathing in, or inhalation and exhalation, will give you finally the respiration process, the process by which the oxygen gas gets into the lungs and get rid of carbon dioxide out of your body. The respiratory system starts with the nose, then the pharynx, you could call it throat, then trachea. The trachea will be divided into two branches that are called two bronchi. The two bronchi, each bronchi will have branches, small branches like the tree. These small branches are called bronchioles. Bronchioles. At the end of each bronchiole, you could find small air sacs surrounded by blood vessels. These small air sacs are called alveoli. Alveoli. Then down below the lungs, the diaphragm. The diaphragm play a very important role in the respiration process, inhalation and exhalation. So what does it do? First, inhalation process. your diaphragm will moves down, contract and descends, contract and descends. So the rib cage and the lungs will expand, increase in size. So the oxygen enter your lungs. During exhalation, the diaphragm will moves up, will ascend or moves up. So the rib cage and the lungs will decrease in size, so the lungs will get rid of the carbon dioxide. Okay? What about the fish? Could they breathe through the air? No, they couldn't. So they don't have lungs, but they have a structure that's called gills. The gills will help the fish to breathe oxygen that will be dissolved in water. It will take the oxygen from the water and get rid of the excess of water so the fish could breathe.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.